Okay, so this is how you do the check on page 162. So it says Morgan has a 9-foot long piece of wood that he wants to cut to build some 6-foot long shelves for his bedroom. So find 9 divided by 5/6. Then interpret the quotient. So we know this is the dividend, that's the total of something divided by the divisor. It's the number of groups to divide the total. So we learned that you can just do keep, change, flip. We don't even have to use division. We can use multiplication. We can multiply by the reciprocal to figure out the answer. So we can make 9 a fraction. So we haven't changed anything. It's still a 9, but it's in fraction form. So 9 over 1, we change it to multiplication, and then we flip it. We flip 5 and the 6, we flip the numerator and the denominator, so it becomes 6 over 5. Now we can multiply the numerators, so 9 times 6 is 54. Then we can multiply the denominators, 1 times 5 is 5. So we can't leave the answer in an improper fraction. So what we have to do next is, if it's improper, you divide. Okay, so we can divide. So 54 is our numerator. The numerator always is the dividend, so it goes in the castle, divided by 5. So how many times does 5 go into 5? It goes in 1 time. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtract, you get 0. Bring down, you get a 4. 4 cannot be divided by 5, so that's 10. That's 0. 4 divided by 5 is 0. If I give you $4 until you make me a group of 5, you can make me 0 groups. Okay, so 0 times 5 is 0. Subtract, you get 4, a remainder 4. Okay, so this is how I make my mixed number. So my 10 is my whole number. The remainder is my numerator. And the 5, the denominator stays the same. So the 5 stays the same. Or some teachers taught it as go around the world. So clockwise. So 10 and 4/5. So that's how you read this. 10 and 4/5. That's your answer. So to answer this question, if Morgan has this piece of wood and she or he is cutting it into 5/6 to make shelves, then he can make about 10 shelves. So let's put that. Morgan can make about 10 shelves. Because it says interpret, which means to explain the quotient. And the quotient is the answer to the division problem. So 9 divided by 5/6 is, so write that down too. 9 divided by 5/6 is going to be about 10 and 4/5. So that's how you divide fractions. You can remember it as keep, change, flip. If it's improper, you divide, make it a mixed number.